Hello students, welcome back to our second lecture of chapter 3, that is playing with numbers. In the earlier lecture we have studied about the factors, multiples, prime factorizations, common multiples and more about the types of natural numbers. Now the next topic is HCF and LCM. You have already studied about the factors and multiples, so it will be very easy for us to understand how to find out the HCF. Firstly, we want to know what is HCF. HCF is the highest common factor. That is, we can say the HCF of two numbers or two or more given numbers is the highest of their common factors. It is also named by GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Now one example is also given here, that is 30 and 42. Already I have explained you about the prime factorization. So we have find out the factors of 30 as well as 42 by prime factorization method. So 30's factors are 2, 3 and 5. So now factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. So we can take the common factors from both these numbers, that is 2 and 3 are common in both the numbers. So the common factors can be multiplied it, we got the answer 6. So we can say the HCF of 30 and 42 is 6, that is it is the highest common factor in both the numbers. The same way we can calculate HCF by long division method also. It is another type of method. In that method also we solve the sum using the division method only. Division method is simple, we can understand it. Let's take one example of that method. The number is 18 and 30. 18 and 30. Now we already know that the smaller number is the divisor and the greatest number is the dividend. We are solving it by division method, children. So we are going to take as 30 as the dividend and 18 as the divisor. In the first step we are going to divide. We can know that multiples of 18, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. So we can take only it one time. So 18 ones are 18. Subtract it and we got the remainder, that is 12. Now in this step, second step, children, you should know that the remainder becomes the divisor and the divisor becomes the dividend, that is 18 becomes the dividend. Now again we are going to divide it, 18 by 12. So 12 one times 12, so we can divide it. So we got the remainder here 6. Now the remainder will again in the next step, the remainder will become the divisor and the divisor will become the dividend. So now here the dividend will be 12. Now you already know that 6 2 times 12, 6 2s are 12. So we got the remainder 0 and we solve the sum until we get the remainder as 0. Now here we have got the remainder 0. So we can see the last divisor is 6. So here also the HCF of both these numbers is 6. This is the division method, children. In this method also, by this method also we can solve HCF, as well as by prime factorization method also we can solve. But we can solve it by both the method if they are given in the question. That is, we have to solve the number by prime factorization, we have to solve it by this method. And if it is given as we have to solve it by long division method, we can solve it, or we can solve according to our convenience. Now the second topic is LCM. LCM, in that topic also, now what do you mean by LCM? LCM is the lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple means LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest natural number which can be multiple of both the numbers. Now we can solve with the example so that you can understand the LCM also. Now LCM. LCM means the lowest common multiple. The name itself suggests that lowest common multiple. It means we are having, if we are having two or more than two numbers, we are finding the LCM. LCM means we can say the LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest natural number which is a multiple of both the numbers. That is, for example, number 4 and 6. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, on and on. Now multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and on. Multiples are infinite. So we can write it as infinite. Now we can see here the first common multiple in both the numbers is 12. So we have firstly find out all the common multiples. So first is 12, then 24, then 36, then we get 48 also, so on and on. But we in LCM we have to find out the lowest common multiple, and in these both the numbers we are having 12 as the common multiple, as the smallest. We can say that as the 12 एक सबसे छोटा multiple है of both the numbers, that is 4 and 6. So we can write the answer as LCM of 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now we are having more common multiple, that is 24, 36, 48, but the lowest is 12. So we consider as it as the LCM is 12. Now this is a method of finding by factors. Another method of finding LCM by prime factorization method. If we are having two or more than two numbers, then we can easily find it by prime factorization method. Just now we have studied about HCF, how we solve the HCF of two or more numbers by prime factorization method. The same way we can solve out as a LCM also of more than two or more than two numbers. So let's take an example of a number, that is 15, 20 and 35. Now let's see. (15, 20 and 35). Children, you all already know how to find out the prime factorization. So it's an easy method. I think you are taking interest. So firstly, it is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. We can divide it by 3. How many times? 5 times. We got the factors of 15. The next number is 20. It is an even number, so it is divisible by 2, so we can easily divide it by 10 times. So the quotient is 10. Now 10 is also divisible by 2. How many times? 5 times. So we can write it as 5. Now 5 itself is a prime number, so it is not divisible by any other number. The next number is 35. Same way, 35 is also an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. The next prime number is 3. It is also not divisible by 3 also. The next number goes as 4, you know, composite number, and you already know that it is having more than 2 factors, that is 2 and 1, 2 and 4. So it is also not divisible. We can take it as 5. How many times? 7 times 5. 5 7 times is 35. So we can take easily. Now 7 itself is a prime number. So we got the factors of these 3 numbers. Now we are going to write these factors. What are the factors of 15? 3 and 5. 20, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now 35 are having the factors, that is 5 and 7. Now we can see here that 2 is occurring the maximum number of times. You can see here 3 and 5 are factors, 2, 2 and 5, 5 and 7. So maximum number of times the number is occurring twice, that is 2. 2 is occurring twice. So when we are considering the LCM, if the number it is repeating or it is in twice, then we can take it as 2 times. So 2 multiplied by 2, and the remaining numbers, that is 3, 5 and 7, they are occurring only once, that is maximum number of times they are occurring are 1. That's why we are going to take it as 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So we can find out that these are the common multiples. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 12 multiplied by 5 is 60, and 60 multiplied by 7 is 420. So we can say that LCM of these three numbers is 420. Children, I think you have understood this method. It's very easy method. We already know prime factorization. So same method we have to solve it, and then we are taking the number which is occurring maximum number of times. That is 2 is occurring here twice. That's why we have taken 2 multiplied by 2, and the numbers which are occurring maximum number of time, that is 3 is 1 time, 5 is also 1 time, and 7. That's why we have taken them, and we got the multiple, that is 420. So we can say the LCM of 15, 20 and 35 is 420. The same way we can solve LCM of more than 2 numbers, and easily we can solve it by this method. Now children, one more method is here, that is LCM by division method also. In this method, division method, we are taking it as common number. In the step 1, firstly we have to arrange the given numbers in a row. That is, we can find out it commonly. First we have to write the numbers, arrange the numbers. This number only we are going to take the example. Okay. So we have to arrange the numbers in an order. First step, that is 15, 20 and 35. So we can arrange them easily. Then we can divide the given number by the prime number which divides exactly or at least 2 or more than 2 numbers. That means here we can take it as, we know that these 2 numbers are odd numbers and 1 number is even number. So we can take easily as 5 as common number, because 15 is also divisible by 5 as well as 35 is also divisible by 5. So or 20 is also divisible. So we can take it as 5 as a common number. So 5 how many times is 15? 3 times. How many times is 20? 4 times. And how many times 35? 7 times. So we got 3, 4 and 7. Now we can see here that we are not having any factor of 3. 3 already itself a number is a prime number. 7 is also a prime number. 4 is a composite number. But we know the factors of 4 are 2 and 4, 1, 2 and 4. So we can just multiply these numbers. So we will get the answer. That is, let's see, 5. These are the factors. Multiply by 3, multiply by 4, multiply by 7. Just now we have done it by prime factorization method. Now children, we are doing by division method. So division method, 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60, 67s are 420. Just now we have got the answer by prime factorization method 420, and this method also we got the answer 420. So we can solve it by both the methods. If you find it easy prime factorization method, you can solve it by prime factorization method, otherwise you can solve it by division method. So LCM of 2 numbers can be calculated by this method. Now children, we are having the properties of HCF and LCM of finding out the given numbers. As we know, all the properties of factors, multiples, the same as they are having the properties, HCF and LCM are also having the properties. You can read the properties from page number 78 and 79 from your book. By an easy examples they are given. You can read it and understand it. Children, we have completed this chapter topics today itself. Now I am going to send you PDF with exercises. You can complete your work in your fair copy, all the exercises. which will be given through PDF. Complete it by the time we have completed this chapter. So complete it by itself. Have a nice day.